If you're feeling financially overwhelmed, this video is for you. For the next 3 days, we're going to be resetting and rebuilding our mindset to make better money decisions for 2026. Before you do anything else today, make your bed. It's a small step, but it matters. It gives you like a quick win and that quick motivation just so you can get your day started in order. Today is about getting your motivation back. So when your home feels messy, your mind feels tired, the money doesn't feel right, it's heavy. So today I want you to not clean your whole house, but just pick one space. Maybe your bedroom, maybe the hallway closet, the pantry, the linen closet, maybe a cabinet or your entryway where things pile up a lot. And then just grab 3 bags or 3 boxes, 3 containers, whatever you want to grab, and label them: 1 for sell or donate, 1 for trash, and then 1 for keep. For example, if you chose the pantry like I did, make sure that you're going through your food, see what's expired that you can trash, or maybe you want to donate any unopened extra items you have. Take everything out of the space you chose and go item by item. Don't overthink it, just do it. And the things you're going to keep, just put it back neatly so you can see what you have. When you're done, just stop. Don't overdo it so you don't feel more overwhelmed. And just take a nice hot shower and let the day go by. This is your reset moment. You can go back and look at the space that you finish, and you'll feel like that accomplishment that you actually did something productive today. And that is how you reset your mind. This was a very short video, but I don't want to overwhelm you guys with so much. So we will continue with day 2 of resetting and rebuilding your mindset to make better money decisions in 2026.